Today's a wonderful day because Giorgio from That's Amore is here. You know how much I love your cheese.
I love it to be here. Thank you very much for loving my cheese, loving me in the case.
Everything from ricotta to mozzarella. And today we're going to make one of my absolute all-time favourites, burrata.
Burrata is not just yours. I have to say everyone loves burrata.
What is burrata for everyone at home?
Burrata is the queen of a mozzarella. It's the most beautiful cheese you can have in a plate.
Oh, look at that. And it kind of looks like a money bag, doesn't it?
It looks like a money bag. There is a filling from precious filling called stracciatella.
Right.
Stracciatella practically is a yummy filling of a piece of mozzarella and cream and salt.
So essentially it's a mozzarella casing with lots of mozzarella inside and some cream.
Absolutely.
Oh, let's make it.
Yummy. Let's make it.
Okay, so what do we need to do first?
Well, for making the stracciatella, normally we're stretching some mozzarella on purpose, but also for if you want to make a home the stracciatella, you can use bocconcini or fior di latte.
Okay, yes.
And broken in pieces.
Just with my hands or with a knife?
You can use both.
Yes.
You don't want it too mushy product.
Okay.
Yes, you can shred it like this so the cream will stick better.
Okay.
Or you can cut. If it's too soft, you don't want to ruin it too much, you can cut. But you do a beautiful job. Well done.
I'll do that.
So once we do all these and a little bit more, we mix with cream and salt. And it's ready for to put inside the burrata case.
All right, I'm onto this. Now show us how to make the beautiful casing just like that.
Here we go a little bit more technical. This is the curd that I bought this morning from the factory. This is coming from milk, Sara Calcia and rennet.
Yes.
So we split already the curd and whey this morning in the factory, and I bought here just the curd.
Okay.
And then we're going to mix the curd with a bit of salt.
Yes, salt's so important when it comes to cheese.
Yes, I think it's also the common ingredient apart from milk.
Yes.
Everyone puts salt. We mix and we're going to pouring into this one boiling water. As soon as you turn it off, it's quickly going there, but it's about 90 degrees, 95 degrees. And then we make ourselves ready for the stretching. This is very traditional, very typical. All the mozzarella and burrata get done with boiling water. We don't put our hands in, we help ourselves with this.
Oh, and this is where you see the magic happen because you see the curds just sitting there, but then that hot water hits it and it starts to come to...
And start to stretching.
And there's the stretch.
And here is a bit of a technique. And
he's giving away some of his secrets, but not all.
All right, so at the moment, what do we have? We're going to have a beautiful, look at this curd.
Can I feel that?
Absolutely.
Oh, so
it's
soft.
Nice and shiny and soft. And the creamy milk we're using from Victoria, from South Gippsland, is the best milk we can find. It's amazing. This is a cow's milk. The burrata traditionally coming from cow's milk. So we stick on the tradition. And
wow.
and see, now what we want to do is I have a curd with no lumps, all nice and shiny. And we can make the burrata case for your stracciatella.
Okay.
We need to finalize, yes.
So I'm going to add some cream to
Fresh
this.
cream, the best.
Yep.
Cream is the yummy part of the milk, I think. Nice and sweet.
So about 50-50.
Or you can exaggerate if you like.
Oh, that looks good. There we go. So now it's time to
Now is the time. Let's cut a little piece, and now I will work with just one little piece.
Okay, I'll give you a knife if you need. Or you don't need a knife. No. Aha, there you go. Of course, use your hands to break it up. Put the knife away.
Put the knife away. Are we ready to make one burrata?
I'm ready.
So what do we have here is a curd. We make it nice and shiny. And we create this beautiful case, and now you can scoop a couple of spoon of stracciatella in.
1, 2.
It will do at the moment. And now we create this beautiful case.
Right. And so this is cold water.
Cold water helps us to set the shape of the whatever cheese we're making. Otherwise, it will become flat and losing the shape.
Yeah.
So
it's got that distinct knot in it at the top of it. And I love watching how Giorgio makes this with his hands, just so gentle, like surgeon hands you have.
We'll say probably. Okay.
Yes.
All right. And then we put in here. And then we will say we have the burrata. We just need to give it a couple of minutes to set.
Yes, because it's still warm, so it just needs a few minutes. And that's how you make the wonderful Burrata.
The most beautiful cheese to see in a plate. And now I think it's time to open up and show everyone how they look like inside.
Every time I do this, I get excited.
This is the magic moment of the burrata, this one. Everyone's waiting for this.
Da 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 da. Burrata.
Yummy.
Ah, like you said, it is the queen
Of mozzarella.
of mozzarella, and you can see why. Absolutely decadent, absolutely delicious. Giorgio, grazie.
Thank you, Justine. Grazie a te.